Hello guys, it's Monday and the markets have closed. A quick, like a daily scoreboard, I will do that hopefully every day of the week. A 10-minute video very quickly. Where are we? Have anything major happened? If it has, we will dive in a little bit. If not, we'll just go on to the next one here. You know where to find me. You can find it in the description below if you want to follow me for more content. And let's get on with it here. By the way, we have a week with a lot of crazy data. We have CPI, PPI, jobless claims, and one or two more. So this will be an action-packed week, that's for sure. Silver up 2% today. Pretty cool. Still working our way, within this overall bull flag here. But in my opinion, we need to break and then get above, roughly 28.7-ish. Then we are good to go. But overall, long-term, fantastic still. Gold here is actually making potentially an all-time daily close. That's pretty cool. For gold, up 1.7%. And again, you can see here I want to remove these. These were for a different video or different, but this move here, that inverted head and shoulders, is pointing to 2,650. So that's where I think we're going. And we have longer potential targets, at 3K. I think we can reach that. The 3K, I don't think we will reach in 2024 unless we have some huge, mega move here. Could we do some quick analysis here if it can be met potentially? It's going to be difficult. Maybe not. But for now, at least all-time daily close for gold. At least we are very close to. We have 20 minutes until we close here. So nice. The gold to silver ratio not moving much, still at resistance here. We want this one to go down here, only down 0.2% today. But again, with the week ahead here, we could potentially see a massive breakout, which is not good, or we can see silver start to outperform. We will definitely know by Friday. That is 100%. The Dixie here, flat for the day, nothing to report. Bitcoin here did have, a bit of an intraday reversal, but overall 0.8% in Bitcoin standards, that's nothing. So again, basically flat for the day here, potentially a mega move here and some sort of bull flag here, but until we clear, roughly 71K here, I'm still holding on to my Amazon.com bubble fractal here, and that's what Bitcoin is about to do, therefore going down. Cool. Here we have USD oil. I think there's a lot of, obviously we have the war that is pushing up the price, but potentially also some shorting here, some shorts that needs to cover. But again, up 3.5%, a big move. You can also see across here we are into big resistance here at roughly 80. But again, until we really clear that squeezing here, we don't really know. But we definitely have a lot of very short-term momentum here, and we have bullish divergence. I love the undercut here, right there, and that's when we got you can see up here the bullish divergence on the RSI. The breakout level for oil is roughly, let's say roughly 83 is probably the level where we can potentially break here. The GDX is up 3%, working its way back above the golden trend line. Why is that golden trend line important? I can show you. The 2020 highs, 2022, we tagged it here, came back, pierced on the fourth, retesting, and we're now back above. Also, I want to note, we can see these three impulses here generating a bullish flag right there. So if we can clear, we're actually pretty close to clear, that bull flag there, and potentially this week, potentially. Still 2.5%, beautiful. Again, retesting our rail here, and we're now moving up higher. Still a lot of short-term momentum down here, but overall, really cool. You can see here we have potentially made what we talked about, that big higher low, higher high here, So potentially we can have the move to $50 on SILJ. Excuse me, SIL. Spot price, uranium flat, nothing new to talk about there. We can also have the URNM. The URNM, until we clear, let's go into the 1 hourly. Until we clear 41.6, we are still in very bearish mode. I mean, then we're still in a downturn here. I do think, however, this is the blow off top of this move here. You know, this move here, we have the blow off top, excuse me, the blow off top to the downside. And again, hopefully we can clear that 41.6. We are into a lot of support there. So again, up 1%, but nothing biggie in my opinion. Rates down 1%. You know, we have this huge move here, and now we are coming up here. So basically a nothing day, really. Overall, we have broken down big time here. As you can see, I'm going through it very quickly. Very, very quickly. Palladium, again, is actually at a very important $920 level. Potentially, we had a mega fake out here. And you can see, if we can clear here, we actually have a potentially big move incoming for Palladium. It has been teasing us a lot here. Volume is kicking in. So potentially this week here, if we get above 950, it looks really good. Again, I want to see, you know, these levels up here gets taken out to confirm basically the bottom that has taken place over the past 8 months or so. Platinum here, 2%. Okay, still very messy overall. You can see it's, you know, it's just hovering around, you know, various trend lines here. For now, we're still below the green resistance here and the golden resistance. So again, we still have some work to do, but 2% is 2%. It's pretty nice. Copper, we came down to $4 and it's up 2%. So it seems like $4 is the floor for now. Overall, we are in a big bullish channel. We still have a lot of, you know, downward momentum to do. So potentially we can see like a move there. I wouldn't be surprised, you know, some sort of inverted head and shoulders in the making, and then we are ready to go again. Still an early call. We still have, you know, roughly August to confirm that. The natural gas here, this is the Dutch natural gas. I think it was up 4-5% during the day. Huge topping, potentially a topping candlestick pattern here, down 1%. So this could be a major pivot here, and we shall see. We shall see. Coal up 1%, still looking enticingly bullish here. Still working on the bottoming. A weird bottom, by the way, but again here, coal could be a great play. I want to see like a move here, and then I want to see the first pullback. So we have the major higher high, and then I'm looking for an entry over here. Potentially at the higher low for coal. That's it, guys. Nothing. Well, we did see some major moves today. Oil is pretty much the outstanding winner today, in my opinion. So big week ahead. Let's see where it goes, guys. Have an amazing day. Cheers.